we are not in 1942. We are on a sunny day in 2023 in the Habous quarter in Casablanca, where time just seems to have frozen. And by the way, if you are new here, I am Moroccan and I make videos about places to visit in Morocco. So let's go!
The Habous quarter is peaceful and magical. The shops with their colorful objects piled even on the floor look like real Alibaba's caves. The colors are bright, the smell of leather is everywhere. From slippers and wood carvings to rugs and pottery, chances are you'll want to take one of Morocco's many handicrafts home with you. For the full Moroccan experience, we will take a break at a coffee shop before we continue our walk in the Habous. But first, we will grab our Moroccan pastries.
When you are in the Habous, it is a must to stop by the Bennis pastry shop. They have been making Moroccan pastries since 1930.
The Bennis pastry shop has an authentic Moroccan setting where you'll find a variety of delicious pastries freshly baked.
Now that we got our Moroccan pastries, we can go to any of the area local coffee shops to enjoy them with some Moroccan tea.
For our stroll break, we picked the Imperial Cafe, which is one of the famous cafes of Habous and has a wonderful view over one of the beautiful historical buildings, the Pasha's Courthouse, which you can see right behind. These are the Moroccan pastries we got from Bennis. So, the very famous gazelle horns, the briouette, and the ghriba that we are going to enjoy with some Moroccan tea.
If you want to prepare Moroccan tea at home, check our introduction video up here.
After sitting in the Imperial Cafe, we resumed our Habous stroll through its maze-like streets, admiring the beautiful arcades. Moroccan handmade rugs are renowned worldwide for their unique color combinations and superior quality. Colors vary from neutral shades to popping hues, with designs ranging from ordered geometric shapes to a more free-form, expressive pattern. What is special about Habous is that you can find bookshops, handicraft products, jewelry, spices, and olive souks all in one place. While being in the Habous, you can make a quick stop to admire the graceful architecture of the Pasha's courthouse, or as we call it in Arabic, محكمة الباشا, and take few good pictures before continuing on your way. This historical building is worth viewing even if only from the outside. The Pasha's courthouse was completed around 1942 and occupies an area of 6,000 square meters. The building has more than 60 rooms and is characterized by a mixture of Moroccan and Moorish architecture. To stay in the 1942 vibe, we went to the Ritz Cafe from the famous Hollywood classic Casablanca. Well, it's not the same Ritz Cafe in the movie, but a recreation of it, where the architecture and the decoration was inspired by the movie. Enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Until the next time with more to see in Morocco.
Play it, Sam. Play as time goes by.
Oh, I can't remember it myself. I'm a little rusty on it.
I'll hum it for you. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da.
Yeah.